Did you know mussels, clams, oysters, and scallops are known as blue foods, which may help promote overall health and sustainability? I'm going to show you how to prepare a restaurant-worthy dish that's ready in about 30 minutes with my favorite blue food, scallops. This recipe is pan-seared scallops and herb collard sauce with creamy grits. To start, we'll prepare the grits by slowly adding them while whisking to a boiling mixture of water, milk, and salt. Reduce heat, cover, and simmer. When cooked, stir in Parmesan and butter. When preparing scallops, always remove this part, the mussel band. The mussel is chewy, so it's not something you want to serve. Pat dry, season with salt and pepper, then sear in a hot pan with olive oil for about 1 to 2 minutes per side. Lastly, we're going to finely chop the collard herb sauce ingredients in a food processor. We have collard greens, parsley, cilantro, garlic, lemon juice and zest, salt, pepper, and cayenne pepper. Finish by drizzling in olive oil while pulsing until smooth. To give this dish a try for yourself, find the complete recipe on bigY.com. Until next time, be well.